Hey, what's up, harmony holder? So this is an emergency video for harmony holder because this is the end of this month, and a lot of holder ask me this question to please tell us to harmony as moving up, sell, hold, or buy. What we do in this critical situation. So I tell you, my friend, I explain you completely. This is live price prediction of harmony. One, do they go up in upcoming days or they fails down? So let's see, my friend. But before I get started with this video, I request you, my brother, to please subscribe our YouTube channel. This is very important to you. Just click the subscribe button for latest news and updates. Thank you so much for subscription, my friend. This time, if you can see here, the harmony as moving very badly falls, my friend. But after that fall, my friend, they take a very high jump, my friend. Okay, first of all, I draw, my friend, a two line, my friend. You can see here the first line stretch the highest point, and the second line stretch the lowest point, my friend. So this time you can see here after a very high jump they falls down, and after this fails you can see here they're moving straightly very badly. So this here, as you can see here, my friend, the change occur as a negative, but after this very gone straightly they take a very high jump, and after that, my friend, they also fails down. So this is definitely very bad news from all of you, my friend. Today fails down because all cryptocurrencies is moving up in this time and those days exactly very fastly. So therefore this is not a failing time, my friend, fails down. So please, my friend, what's my prediction? If you can see here after this, you can see here after this circulation we decide that clearly to upcoming days they fails down, and after that, my friends, they take a very high jump. You can see here this time you can see they starting falling down, but after this fail, my friends, they take a very high jump. So therefore please hold it, don't sell it. I hope they give you very good profit in upcoming days. Please don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more this type informative videos.